We are creating a new VM, a test VM instance for our Hyperledger Fabric setup to run, and we are launching the VM right now. Our VM is ready. We are going to get inside the VM detail and copy the IP address of the VM, and that IP address will help us to SSH connect with the VM. So we are right now we are into our terminal, changing the IP address, and then we will SSH to our VM and connect it out. Once our VM connection is set up successfully, we will go to the repository, copy all the commands and the steps we are supposed to follow, and then execute it one by one. That will bring up, that will add the all the required softwares required to run the Hyperledger Fabric network. Once that is done, we will also verify whether the Docker is configured successfully or not. This is how we check. Once that checking is done, we will then execute the setup script. So now we are going to clone the repository. This will require username and password, which will be provided by the AWS. We'll quickly change into our project directory. Now we are ready to execute our setup script. The setup script will bring up all the Hyperledger Fabric network, starting from pulling the Docker images and then deploying it one after the other, and creating the channels. And once that these are ready, our network is also ready here. We can verify the network with the network image which we have in our repository. We have orders, we have peers running, so the network has been deployed. Terminating the VM instance is very easy. Go to the portal and choose the VM instance. Click on the terminate instance button, and that will terminate the VM instance. Once you confirm, it will terminate the VM. That's all. Thank you very much.